we shall learn about how to use 6 heading tags in a HTML web page. So let us go to SolarLearn. Let us quickly start it. So friends, now let us go to SolarLearn app. So here we need to open the app SolarLearn. Now the app was opening here. I am clicking on code, clicking on new code, and I am selecting the language web. So here I got the basic structure of HTML. Friends, in before video I have clearly explained you about the introduction of HTML and how to open SolarLearn, and I have clearly explained you clearly. Maybe if you have missed that video, don't worry my dear friends. I'll keep that link in description box. You can watch that video and come to this video. Then you will have the continuation of HTML course. So in this video I am going to explain about 6 heading tags now. So in here title, I am keeping the H1 to H6 heading levels. I am keeping heading levels. But remember one thing my dear friends, whatever you are writing in title tag will not appear in output. Okay, it will not appear in output. If you want to give any appearance to output, means you have to do that in body tag itself. So go to in that body tag. I am going to explain about the heading tag. This tag is used to define about different heading levels in a HTML document. And friends, there are 6 heading levels are there. I'll write that in a comment tag. And also remember my dear friends, whatever you are writing in comment tag also will not appear in output. There are 6 heading levels. Heading levels. They are H1 to H6. Okay. So now I am closing this comment tag. This is a small comment tag. This so far you have been whatever writing between body tag, it will appear in output. But this comment tag will not appear in output. Okay, sometimes you want to write notes of yourself on an HTML and you don't want to display that in browser window, then you need to use this comment tag. Okay, so here what I have written 6 heading levels. So this is H1 tag. You can also use small. There is no condition to use all capital letters or to use small letters. Which one you want to use, that you can use. And this is H1 heading tag. This style displays the text in a larger size. Use it for main headings and its size increases to 32 points. Okay. So here I am writing hello everyone. I am just writing here hello everyone. And remember one thing my dear friends, its size is, here I'll write 32 points. The value of H1 tag is 32 points. Let us see in output. See friends, here you got hello everyone in bold, and this tag will use it to write for main headings, such as normally in any textbooks you will have the lesson names. Yes, that if you want to write that one, if you use this H1 tag means it will be the biggest heading tag. Yes. So the next one is H2 tag. This H2 tag is somewhat smaller size, which is if you compare to H1. So here I am writing welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, did you observe here my dear friends? Here the size is being somewhat smaller. Yes, here I will remove this YouTube. welcome to my channel. And this H2 tag value is 24 points, my dear friends. You need to remember these points while you are attempting any exams regarding this HTML. This will be more useful to you. You can easily understand. Okay, H2 also completed. What I said, there are 6 heading levels. Means now 2 styles were completed. So now the third one is H3 tag. Okay, this H3 tag also used to do side headings. Okay, here I am writing my name is G Vanilla. So guys, my name is Vanilla. So here I am writing it, and this H3 tag value is 19 points, my dear friends. The value of H3 is 19 points. See, did you observe one thing? The H1 is having the biggest size value and H2 is decreasing. Here did you observe? The size is decreasing, whereas the numbers are increasing, such as 1, 2, 3. Here the size is decreasing from bigger to smaller. So H3 also completed. Now I am doing H4 heading tag. So now H4 to H5, these are not used for side headings. Something if you want to write such as important, bigger than the surrounding text, you can use this H4 tag. So here I am writing, my channel name is All Subjects Solutions. I am writing All Subjects Solutions. Okay, so let us see in output. See, here you got the output, and the value of this H4 tag is 16 points, my dear friends. Okay, see here the points value is also decreasing, whereas the number of value is increasing. H1 is the bigger than the all other tags. Yes, now I am doing the H5 tag, and here what I am going to write is all the best, all the best for your attempts. Okay, so let us see in output. So the final one, what? H6 tag. Friends, this H6 tag is used to write, whereas while you are writing some information, some sentences that is not important. So if you use this H6 tag in that place, then it will become very smaller, and it is lowest heading level in HTML, and its value is 13 points, smallest value. So here what I'm going to write, I'm writing here don't, okay, here I'm getting the grammatical mistakes. Okay, don't be lazy. So see here, it is very small, it is very smallest tiny word. Yes, my dear friends, here what did you observe in the output? Here the size of the words are decreasing, my dear friends, but in input, here the value of the tag is increasing. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Whereas the size levels are increasing, the point value is decreasing in output. So this is what about the heading tags in HTML. It is essential in a web page. While using all these tags, the web page will be more creative. And now whatever you want to write, that one you are writing in body tags. In between opening and closing of body tags only you are writing. So friends, this is what about heading tags. In this video, this is enough, my dear friends. In the next video, we shall learn the different topics of HTML. And friends, share this video to your friends. Then they can learn about this heading tags of HTML easily and by doing in mobile. Yes friends, thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye friends.